Ground beef and onions are the foundation for dozens of meals, but if you want a simple, savory one-skillet dish that you can serve over rice, potatoes, or pasta, this classic savory beef and onion skillet is the best place to start. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 80-20 or 90-10. 1 large onion, yellow or white, diced or thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced, optional. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Salt and pepper to taste, optional. Half cup beef broth for a saucier finish. Prep the veggies. Dice or slice your onion and mince the garlic. Keep pieces similar size so they cook evenly. Sauté the onions. Heat a large skillet over medium-high. Add a splash of oil if your beef is very lean. Add the onions and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until translucent and just starting to brown. Push the onions to the edges and add the ground beef to the center. Let it sit undisturbed for about 2 minutes to get a good sear. Use a spatula to break the meat into small crumbles. Mix with the onions and cook until no pink remains. Stir in the garlic, Worcestershire, salt and pepper. Add half cup beef broth if you want gravy and simmer 2 to 3 minutes. If there's too much fat, tilt the skillet and spoon out the excess before serving. Ways to serve it: comfort food. Serve over mashed potatoes or buttered egg noodles. Low carb. Serve inside lettuce wraps or over steamed broccoli. Quick dinner. Mix in cooked white rice and a handful of frozen peas. Sub sandwich. Melt provolone on top and slide into a toasted hoagie roll.